Hey guys, Phoenix here. We're just going to be doing a short video of this. My friend Colin made it. Let's test it out. Okay. And now let's do it one more time.
I ain't leaving
guys.
it. Wait, am I allowed to even eat over?
Sure. But we're not going to eat for like another hour.
Okay, can I still ask?
Sure.
Am I allowed?
You're always welcome. Mi casa is su casa, little man.
Okay, guys. Now we're just going to do it one more time. Third one.
We're going to set up his GoPro.
I know how to work GoPros.
Oh, yeah.
Max has it.
Speaking of GoPros, guys, yeah, I'm getting my GoPro
Yeah, Max
now.
has one.
And I got a $100 gift card
That was really hard to make.
for iTunes. So now I'm going to be able to buy storage every month. So last try, guys. I probably said that already, but last try.
Have you noticed in the ball there's a dinosaur?
Yeah.
Oh, later? Can you point this stuff out to my mom?
Alright. There you go, guys. See you next time.